This video I'm going to show my Powerwall. It's a 14 series 80 parallel, and we've just completed a DIYBMS version 4. These are the modules. See if I can get up close. You got a module for each cell, and then the controller board. My system is using a solar 48 volt, and right now we're on PV and it's barely charging the battery as it's covering the load. And this is the transfer box. It's 10 circuits. They're all on generator right now. So PV and batteries running the house. I've been on batteries since 6 o'clock last night. Okie doke, working great. Thanks to Stuart.